Tomatoes are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Tomatoes are an excellent source of antioxidants. The presence of potassium and lycopene in tomatoes contributes to heart health. Some studies suggest that the high antioxidant content in tomatoes, particularly lycopene, may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which is great for vision health. Tomatoes are beneficial for skin health. Tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber. High fiber content in tomatoes supports healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Tomatoes contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health and proper blood clotting. Want more healthy tips? Subscribe.